Now to those record-breaking flu numbers for children. Nationwide, the death toll increasing 48% from the previous week. At least 15 million cases so far this season, with more than 40 states reporting high or very high flu cases. Here's ABC's Andrew Dimbert.
Tonight, a sharp spike in flu cases across the U.S., with emergency rooms filling fast, hospitalizations rising, especially among children and the elderly.
What we're concerned about is this is a very early rise in severe flu, which means that we're not even well into flu season. Of course, the concern here is that our hospitals are going to be underwater, not only to treat those with influenza, but to treat all other cases.
The rate of children visiting doctors' offices for the flu hitting a 10-year high, according to the CDC, with more than 18% of those visits being children under 4 years old. Nationwide, there have been at least 15 million reported illnesses, up from 11 million just a week ago, and 180,000 hospitalizations and 7,400 deaths.
While these numbers are incredibly striking, data often lags by 1 to 2 weeks, so we may not even see the full picture of influenza across this country as it's happening right now.
Doctors monitoring closely a new strain of flu, subclade K, a variant that's been circulating since the summer globally in countries like Canada, Japan, and the UK. Health experts say current annual flu vaccines are not perfectly matched with the new variant, but still provides protection against serious illness. A CDC study found 90% of children who died from the flu last year were not vaccinated. And tonight, pharmacies reporting a run on tests. Demand for over-the-counter cold and flu medications and at-home testing kits jumped 155% over the last 3 weeks, according to data from Walgreens.
Andrew Dimbert joining me now. And Andrew, there's also a nurses' strike next week, potentially adding additional strain to overstretched hospitals.
Yeah, with thousands of nurses here in New York City could walk off the job Monday if a new contract with hospitals isn't agreed upon by then. It would be one of the largest strikes, nursing strikes, in New York City history, and would come at a time when the virus is still circulating at high levels, according to state officials.
Yeah, something to watch closely in the days ahead. Andrew, thanks.